So just thought I'd give you a quick behind the scenes tour. You may have noticed recently I've started wearing a microphone. This links back to an old iPhone 4S which I have clipped onto my hip. The reason for this is the audio on the GoPro when it's in its waterproof case isn't great, and being around a river I have to have it in that case. So I'll just give you a sample here of what the audio sounds like. This is just the opening scene of the new video I'm working on. This is what it sounds like without the microphone.
Hello, welcome to a beautiful day in Wicklow. I'm down at a new spot here that I haven't been to quite some time. It's probably 2 to 3 months since I was here.
Okay, so that's with the basic audio. So now what I'll show you is, or you'll hear now the audio with the microphone.
3, 2, 1, action. Hello, welcome to a beautiful day in Wicklow. I'm down at a new spot here that I haven't been to quite some time. It's probably 2 to 3 months since I was here.
So you can see the significant difference in the audio. So that's just one of the components. As I say, I'll put out a few more videos of this, just kind of showing the behind the scenes of how I actually stitch these videos together. But yes, the microphone, it may just stick out a good bit, but it's absolutely essential just to provide good quality audio. So catch you in the next video. Bye bye.